In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check sales on your Shopify store. Tracking your sales is extremely important because it helps you understand your store's performance, customer trends, and overall growth. Let's get started. First, head over to the Shopify website and log into your Shopify account using your email and password. Once you're inside your Shopify dashboard, click on Analytics from the left sidebar menu. This section gives you detailed insights into your store's performance, including revenue, orders, visitors, and conversion data. Next, click on Reports. Inside the Reports section, you'll see different categories of analytics available for your store. Look for the Sales category and click on it. Here, you'll find multiple reports related to your store's earnings, including total sales, sales by product, sales by channel, and more. One of the most useful reports is Sales over Time. Clicking this report allows you to track your revenue performance daily, weekly, monthly, or over custom date ranges. You can also filter reports to analyze specific products, countries, customer groups, or sales channels to better understand where your revenue is coming from. Shopify also displays helpful graphs and charts so you can easily identify trends, spikes in sales, or slower periods. Regularly checking these analytics can help you improve your marketing strategy, inventory planning, and overall business decisions. For additional reporting and analytics help, you can visit the official Shopify Analytics help page. And that's it. You now know how to check sales on your Shopify store and monitor your business performance more effectively. Thanks for watching.